much homework to do today. And I have all my chores and I need to get started now. Okay. Yeah, hello? Oh, yeah, that sounds awesome. Oh, but I have so much homework to do. Yeah, I have to study. Yeah, thanks. Okay, I can do this.
I'm gonna go out and have fun tonight. What? Nobody can hang out? Everybody has homework? Of course! Ugh.
Save energy.